If you're building a PC in 2026, choosing the right motherboard is just as important as picking your CPU or GPU. A great board is a foundation of performance, stability, and next-gen connectivity. Today, we're looking at some of the best motherboards you can buy in 2026, covering both AMD and Intel platforms. Let's dive in. 1. ASUS ROG Strix X870 Gaming Wi-Fi, best high-end AM5 board. The ASUS ROG Strix X870 Gaming Wi-Fi is a true powerhouse built for enthusiasts and serious gamers. Designed for the latest AMD AM5 X870 platform, it features a robust 18+2+2 power stage design, ensuring excellent stability for overclocking and high-end performance. Advanced features like the dynamic OC switcher and CoreFlex give you precise control over system tuning, while DDR5 memory support with AMD Expo helps squeeze out maximum memory performance. On the connectivity side, you get Wi-Fi 7, PCIe 5.0, and 2 PCIe 5.0 M.2 slots for ultra-fast storage. Add USB 4, AI-powered overclocking and intelligent networking, and you have a board built for both elite gaming and demanding content creation. Check the link in the description for more details. 2. Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7 Best Value AM5 Board. Next up is the Gigabyte B850 AORUS Elite Wi-Fi 7, offering an excellent balance between performance and price. Built for AMD AM5 processors, it supports DDR5 memory, PCIe 5.0, and next-gen Wi-Fi 7, making it a future-ready option. You also get 3 M.2 slots, USB-C connectivity, and 2.5 gigabits Ethernet for fast storage and reliable networking. The easy latch design simplifies installation, while the 5-year warranty adds long-term peace of mind. If you want modern features without overspending, this board is a great choice. 3. ASUS Prime B650 Plus Wi-Fi Best Budget to Mid AM5 Option. The ASUS Prime B650 Plus Wi-Fi delivers excellent value for users running AMD Ryzen 9000, 8000, or 7000 series CPUs. It supports DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, ensuring smooth and responsive performance. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabits LAN, and a USB Type-C port. You also get a Thunderbolt 4 header, BIOS flashback, and SATA 6 gigabits per second support for easy upgrades and reliable storage performance. This board is ideal for budget and mid-range builds that still need modern features. 4. Gigabyte B760M DS3 HEX Best Mid-Range Intel Motherboard. For Intel users, the Gigabyte B760M DS3 HEX is a strong mid-range option. It supports Intel LGA 1700 processors, along with DDR5 memory, PCIe 4.0, and 2 M.2 slots, delivering solid performance at a reasonable price. With Wi-Fi 6E, 2.5 gigabits Ethernet, and Q-Flash Plus for easy BIOS updates, this motherboard is reliable, user-friendly, and versatile. Perfect for gaming, work, and everyday computing. 5. ASUS ROG Strix B860 iGaming Wi-Fi Best Mini-ITX Intel Board. If you're building a compact PC, the ASUS ROG Strix B860 iGaming Wi-Fi offers impressive performance in a small form factor. Designed for Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors, it supports DDR5 memory and features a 10+1+2+1 power stage design for stable power delivery. Despite its size, it includes Wi-Fi 7, 2.5 gigabits LAN, Thunderbolt 4 support, and a high-speed M.2 slot for fast storage. It's an excellent choice for high-performance small form factor builds.